بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
حميم. تنزيل الكتاب من الله العزيز الحكيم.
The sending down of the book, i.e., the Quran, is from Allah, the Honorable, the Wise.
إن في السماوات والأرض لآيات للمؤمنين. Indeed,
in the heavens and the earth are signs for the believers.
وفي خلقكم وما يبث من دابة آيات لقوم يوقنون.
And in your creation, and whichever animal He scatters in the earth, in them are signs for the people of certainty.
واختلاف الليل والنهار وما أنزل الله من السماء من رزق فأحيا به الأرض بعد موتها وتصريف الرياح آيات لقوم يعقلون.
And in the alternation of the night and the day, and in this, that Allah sends down rain from the sky as a mean of sustenance, so with it He gave life to the earth after its death, and in the revolving around of the winds, in all of these are signs for the people of intellect.
تلك آيات الله نتلوها عليك بالحق فبأي حديث بعد الله وآياته يؤمنون.
These are the verses of Allah that we recite upon you with the truth. Then leaving Allah and His verses, what will they believe in?
ويل لكل أفاك أثيم.
Ruin is for every great slandering sinner.
يسمع آيات الله تتلى عليه ثم يصر مستكبرا كأن لم يسمعها فبشره بعذاب أليم.
Who hears the verses of Allah which are recited to him, then remains stubborn, displaying arrogance as if he did not hear them. Therefore, give him the good news of a painful punishment.
وَإِذَا عَلِمَ مِنْ آيَاتِنَا شَيْئًا اتَّخَذَهَا هُزُوًا أُولَئِكَ لَهُمْ عَذَابٌ مُهِينٌ.
And when he comes to know about any of our verses, he mocks them. For them is a disgraceful punishment.
مِنْ وَرَائِهِمْ جَهَنَّمُ ولا يغني عنهم ما كسبوا شيئا ولا ما اتخذوا من دون الله أولياء ولهم عذاب عظيم.
Hell is after them, and what they have earned will not benefit them at all, and nor those whom they had taken as helpers other than Allah. And for them is a great punishment.
هذا هدى والذين كفروا بآيات ربهم لهم عذاب من رجز أليم.
This, i.e., the Quran, shows the right path, and those who disbelieved in the verses of their Lord, for them is the severest punishment from the most painful punishment.
الله الذي سخر لكم البحر لتجري الفلك فيه بأمره ولتبتغوا من فضله ولعلكم تشكرون.
It is Allah who has subjected the sea for you, that ships may sail upon it by His command, and for this reason that you seek His benevolence, i.e., sustenance, and in order that you may be grateful.
وسخر لكم ما في السماوات وما في الأرض جميعا منه إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يتفكرون.
And He has made whatever is in the heavens and in the earth subservient to you by His command. Indeed, in these are the signs for the people who ponder.
قل للذين آمنوا آمنوا يغفروا للذين لا يرجون أيام الله ليجزي قوما بما كانوا يكسبون.
Tell the believers, O beloved, overlook those who do not hope for the days of Allah, in order that Allah may reward a nation for what they used to earn.
من عمل صالحا فلنفسه ومن أساء فعليها ثم إلى ربكم ترجعون.
Whosoever does a good deed, so it is for his own good, and whoever commits an evil deed, so it is for his own harm. You will then be returned towards your Lord.
ولقد آتينا بني إسرائيل الكتاب والحكم والنبوة ورزقناهم من الطيبات وفضلناهم على العالمين.
And indeed, we bestowed upon the children of Israel the book, i.e., the Torah, and sovereignty and prophethood, and gave pure things for sustenance to them, and exalted them over all the others of their era.
وآتيناهم بينات من الأمر فما اختلفوا إلا من بعد ما جاءهم العلم بغيا بينهم إن ربك يقضي بينهم يوم القيامة فيما كانوا فيه يختلفون.
And we gave them a clear proof regarding this matter of their religion. So they did not differ, but after this, that the knowledge had come to them due to mutual jealousy. Indeed, your Lord will judge between them on the day of resurrection concerning the matter wherein they differ.
ثم جعلناك على شريعة من الأمر فاتبعها ولا تتبع أهواء الذين لا يعلمون.
We then set you, O beloved, on the clear path in this matter, i.e., the religion. Therefore, continue following it and do not follow the desires of the ignorant.
إنهم لن يغنوا عنك من الله شيئا وإن الظالمين بعضهم أولياء بعض والله ولي المتقين.
Indeed, they cannot benefit you at all against Allah, and indeed, the unjust are friends of each other, and Allah is the friend of those who fear.
هذا بصائر للناس وهدى ورحمة لقوم يوقنون.
This, i.e., the Quran, is an eye-opener for the people and guidance and mercy for those who believe.
أم حسب الذين اجترحوا السيئات أن نجعلهم كالذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات سواء محياهم ومماتهم ساء ما يحكمون.
Do those who have committed evil assume this, that we will make them equal to those who have believed and done good deeds, and that would the life and the death of these pious people be equal to those evil people? What an evil judgment they pass.
وخلق الله السماوات والأرض بالحق ولتجزى كل نفس بما كسبت وهم لا يظلمون.
And Allah has created the heavens and the earth with the truth, and in order that every soul is repaid for what it has earned, and they will not be wronged.
أفرأيت من اتخذ إلهه هواه وأضله الله على علم وختم على سمعه وختم على سمعه وقلبه وجعل على بصره غشاوة فمن يهديه من بعد الله أفلا تذكرون.
Just look at him who made his desire as his God, and Allah caused him to go astray despite his knowledge, and set a seal upon his ears and his heart, and a covering upon his eyes. So, who would guide him after Allah? So, do you not ponder?
وقالوا ما هي إلا حياتنا الدنيا نموت ونحيا وما يهلكنا إلا الدهر وما لهم بذلك من علم إن هم إلا يظنون.
And they said, there is nothing except our worldly life, in which we die and we live, and nothing destroys us except time. And they do not have any knowledge of this. They make mere speculations.
وإذا تتلى عليهم آياتنا بينات ما كان حجتهم إلا أن قالوا ائتوا بآبائنا إن كنتم صادقين.
And when our clear verses are recited to them, so their only argument is that they say, bring back our forefathers if you are truthful.
قل الله يحييكم ثم يميتكم ثم يجمعكم إلى يوم القيامة لا ريب فيه ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
Say you, O beloved, it is Allah who gives you life, then will cause you to die, then will gather you all on the day of resurrection, in which there is no doubt, but most people know not.
وَلِلَّهِ مُلْكُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَيَوْمَ تَقُومُ السَّاعَةُ يَوْمَئِذٍ يَخْسَرُ الْمُبْطِلُونَ.
And only to Allah belongs the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, and when the day of resurrection is established, on that day is lost for the followers of falsehood.
وَتَرَى كُلَّ أُمَّةٍ جَاثِيَةً كُلُّ أُمَّةٍ تُدْعَى إِلَى كِتَابِهَا الْيَوْمَ تُجْزَوْنَ مَا كُنتُمْ تَعْمَلُونَ.
And you will see every group down on its knees. Every group will be called towards its book of deeds. This day you will be repaid for what you did.
هذا كتابنا ينطق عليكم بالحق إنا كنا نستنسخ ما كنتم تعملون.
This book of ours speak the truth against you. We had been recording whatever you did.
فأما الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات فيدخلهم ربهم في رحمته ذلك هو الفوز المبين.
So those who believed and did good deeds, their Lord will admit them into His mercy. Only this is very clear victory.
وأما الذين كفروا أفلم تكن آياتي تتلى عليكم فاستكبرتم وكنتم قوما مجرمين.
And to those who disbelieved, it will be said to them, was it not that our verses were recited to you? So you were arrogant and you were a criminal people.
وَإِذَا قِيلَ إِنَّ وَعْدَ اللَّهِ حَقٌّ وَالسَّاعَةُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهَا قُلْتُمْ مَا نَدْرِي مَا السَّاعَةُ إِن نَّظُنُّ إِلَّا ظَنًّا وَمَا نَحْنُ بمستيقنين.
And when it is said, indeed the promise of Allah is true, and there is no doubt regarding the day of resurrection, you say, we do not know what the day of resurrection is. We think of it as some vague idea, and we have no certainty.
وبدا لهم سيئات ما عملوا وحاق بهم ما كانوا به يستهزئون.
And the evils of their deeds appeared to them, and the punishment which they used to mock surrounded them.
وقيل اليوم ننساكم كما نسيتم لقاء يومكم هذا ومأواكم النار وما لكم من ناصرين.
And it will be said, this day we shall leave you just like you had forgotten the confronting of this day of yours, and your abode is the fire, and you do not have any helper.
ذلكم بأنكم اتخذتم آيات الله هزوا وغرتكم الحياة الدنيا فاليوم لا يخرجون منها ولا هم يستعتبون.
This is because you mocked the signs of Allah, and the worldly life deceived you. So, this day they are not to be brought out from the fire, and nor will they be asked to do something to please Allah.
فلله الحمد رب السماوات ورب الأرض رب العالمين.
So, all praise is due to only Allah, the Lord of the heavens and the Lord of the earth and the Lord of all the worlds.
وله الكبرياء في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم.
And only for Him is the greatness in the heavens and in the earth, and only He is the most honorable, the wise.
صدق الله العظيم.